China. I'm not moving it now.
I was gonna say it's not focused, but it's like
I'm not moving it now because it felt like that. Oh look, we've got bright coloured hair.
You can't even see mine's in a bun. Bun.
You should hopefully see that soon because she did film it. I don't know if she's going to.
I look ratchet.
We're doing. Apologies, Anna. We're doing mini vlogs.
Yeah.
And so far we haven't really produced anything.
Yeah. It's quite hard to get a vlog when you've got nothing to do.
I just want to say I'm sorry
for that last video where Jade was like,
somebody came in. I'm just watching that guy on the bike.
I know.
Somebody came in while we were trying to film that vlog,
and he just stood there like,
yeah.
And I was like, we definitely got caught that time. I was just like, oh my God.
It was kind of weird because he just looked at us like this.
Yeah, I was like nothing weird going on here.
So yeah, basically we're trying to do a mini vlog today because we've not actually done much on our channel.
No,
because we're not very good at editing.
I know, I'm just trying to figure it all out. We've got loads of videos coming up.
Don't know when though. We're not going to give you a date.
I'm not going to give you a date, just when I've finished editing them because it's taking the absolute piss to edit.
It's taken a while. It's the geocaching one. The Alton Towers one should be alright. You can just put that together because I've sent that in order.
Yeah.
But because we've had so many issues with filming that was ridiculous.
Yeah, it was ridiculous.
We had a few issues where cameras died, we didn't have enough memory, and my phone just kept crashing.
Oh, God, you wanted to so bad.
Where are we?
In the Aviarium.
Aviarium. Don't even know what we have. Really? Apart from a load of quails. I don't want to turn behind me because I don't know if Ash is there. I'm quite scared. We'll just go in here. This is the indoor area. With a load of quails. Hey guys! It's a very pretty canary.
Okay.
How pretty she is.
It's just one lone quail in this.
The lowly quail!
In this house.
Somebody's watching me film.
Sit still. They're not very cooperative.
They're not very friendly, are they? Hey, quail. Are trying to catch a finch.
Yeah, let's get them all back in.
Some here, so let's move them back in here. Oh, this isn't working. They're all here. They're all over to you. Hello, pretty bird. Will you be my friend? Hello.
I don't know how bad it's going to hurt.
We don't know what finches are like, do we? Tylah, have you noticed? We're being stared at. Get the pretty one.
I'm trying to.
Look at the buddy, it's just like...
The fucking thing of this. Scared the crap out of me.
Hello.
She hates me.
Do it again.